Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I am going to show you how you can create AI tags on the CapCut PC apps. Alright, so to the point, go to tags after you open the CapCut apps. Exactly. Alright, so just click the default tags and you can change the tags. For example, I'm going to change to a CapCut tags, and you can adjust for the size and then right click on the tags and select create component clip. Okay, go to effects and you can select video effects and select night clip. Scroll down and add until you find the nail line. So just download it and add to track. So you can see for the EA like tags and the CapCut apps. So you can adjust for the strings. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.